Hello, YouTube. Excuse me, I got some food in my mouth. I'm up at the cabin. It's very bright in here, which is usually not the case. It's bright because there was a fucking blizzard when I drove up. I brought up a bed load of wood, a bunch of silver maple, some other type of maple. I was going to split it all up. The fucking steps are all treacherous. This is what I've split up today. It's just kind of a fucking pain in the ass. I got 2 pairs of gloves. They're both soaking wet. All the wood that's in the back of the truck is all covered with snow. Every time I pick up a piece of wood, I'm getting fucking snow on my shirt, snow on my gloves. And literally, I've decided to leave this in here because there's no guarantee I'm going to get out of here. It snowed all night. This is only a 2-wheel drive. I got stuck like 3 times trying to get in here last night. I put some other stuff over there by the campfire. I don't think that's maple. I think that's box elder. Some of this shit didn't even split up. It's all brand new. It got blown over by a storm. Actually, the day that we all voted, that's when it got blown over. I put some of it here. I'll split it up when the weather gets better. There's my anvil there. This shit here I hit a couple of times and it's not splitting. So I've had breakfast and I've been snacking, so I'm starting to drink beer. It's really not, it's not freezing cold. I got a little bit of wood here. A little bit of wood stashed. I got enough in the cabin, I think, for tonight. You keep a fire going all night, and you're burning up some fucking wood. I guess I'll get out of here in the morning. I don't know. I'm hoping it doesn't snow overnight. Everything, you know, I got the truck right there. Everything to the gate is all downhill, so I should be able to get out of here. Once I get onto the county maintained dirt road, there should be some tracks out there, and I guess I'll get out of here. If not, I do have food. I got plenty of water. I can always boil snow, I guess. This morning the sun was out. There's little patches of blue up there right now, but otherwise this is a typical northern Michigan winter's day. It's kind of pretty, you know, with the snow sitting on the trees. But it has, Jesus, it has bent over a lot of trees. The snow it was just a fucking blizzard last night. I had an oak here that was like bent over in front of the road. I shook all the snow off it. It looks like slowly it's going back up. We'll see about that one. All right, I guess that's about it. I'm drinking some Stroh's. I'm gonna have another Stroh's. That's what I drink when I really don't want to get drunk. I got an old boat cushion on top of my cooler, and that's the only place I can sit. It must not be too cold because I'm sitting outside. I don't even have a jacket on. My fucking shoes are all soaked, and I'm not all that cold. That's it. That's my fun ass weekend. I knew it was gonna snow. They kept reporting snow, but I was in denial, and I bet you I drove 60 miles through a fucking blizzard last night. you fucking stare at that shit for an hour through your windshield, and it gets to you. I was awful glad to get here last night. Awful glad to get up, so I didn't have to walk my shit up here. That's it. Signing out.